Alrighty. So one of the things that I can't stand about FPV is going down a tune hole. That's right, I said tune hole, where all you end up doing is flying, tuning, and testing and killing an immense amount of time. The past couple of days, I've probably wasted over 2 to 3 hours a day trying to get my quadcopters flying the way I think they should. I've gone from emu flight back to beta flight to emu flight and now back to beta flight. And still not really happy. But a friend gave me his PIDs, his tunes, and pretty happy with it so far. So I'm going to try it out here in more of a technical environment to see how it works, because next week I'm going to be in Vegas. I'm not going to have time to do all this shit. So I got to get it right in 4 days. Let's get started. Just tuned these up last night, so hopefully it doesn't oh wait, I didn't turn my RC on. All right.
Welcome to Tango 2. Switch warning.
So this is the source one with a F7. Running beta flight. It wasn't bad. Feels pretty good so far. RSSI is working. I missed that, damn it. Really struggling lately. You know what it is? I'm in the throttle too long. I gotta get off the throttle quicker. This is first pack. There we go. I gotta get out of the throttle sooner when I'm doing those. See, I didn't give myself enough kickback. I'm all over the fucking place right now. That sucked. All right, let's bring it in and check these motors, make sure they're not getting crazy hot. They feel pretty good. Alrighty, let's test the green one out here. Ah, fuck me. Ah, shit me. Fucking batteries dangling everywhere. All right, this is the green one. This one's got an F4, but same tune to a certain extent. hate these fucking wires dangling. I really do hate these wires like this. It's so annoying. All right. You know what? Let me pull this harness down a little bit. It was a little too tight. Okay. All right. I feel like this is very dialed in, this one here. Little prop wash right there. All right. This one feels very floaty for some reason. Oh, I got a little sloppy right there. Let's see how far we can. All right. Sort of liking the way this one flies. A little prop wash. I can deal with a little bit of that. We can figure that out. We can tune that out. A little more. Not quite as precise. Getting really good flight times out of that. Okay. That was good. I was happy with that flight. All right, so this is the Source One V4, and these are Eco Max 2 motors. These are the Eco 2s, and they're 2306 1900 kV. So for both these Source Ones, they've been using 1800 Zing motors. These are the 1800 2208. But I feel like this Eco Max is gonna get a really solid flight time. I've always gotten great flight out of that, so let's see if that is the case. I am gonna put a 1050 on here, just I wanna see how it does with something that's pretty light. So, all right. Let's see what happens with this one. This one's definitely gonna feel a little different. I feel like this one's a little floaty. I got also different props on here too, so we'll see. We will see. There we go, just waiting for display to reset. Huh. Voltage isn't showing. Okay, that was weird. What the fuck was that about? I got the props on right or wrong? No, props are all right. That was weird. Voltage isn't showing. That one I fucked up. I fucked this tune up on this one. I got something wrong in the... All right. Well, I'll have to reflash this with Betaflight. I'll retune that later. Oh, well, that was really frustrating for some reason. Like, I spent all last night trying to get these quads all tuned up to my satisfaction, to where they're sort of dialed in, and they're just, I don't know, they felt tight enough, but I don't know. I wasn't really happy with the way any of them were flying. The V4 has got something wrong with it. I think when I copied the PIDs in, I did something with the gyro. I don't know. Something's not right on the V4, so I'm going to have to reflash Betaflight, set everything up all over again on that one. A little bit annoying, but I'll go ahead and reconfigure this one so that way it works. Not that I'm going to take it with me, but I just like having it operational. Surprisingly, the F4 flew better than the F7, which was weird. I felt like the F7 is just, I don't know, like I couldn't get off the throttle enough with it, which is weird. I don't know. I'm really not happy with the way they're flying. I do like emu flight, though. I feel like I was more confident with emu flight than I am with Betaflight, but there's just certain things that Betaflight has that emu doesn't. Like, I'm getting better flight times because of the voltage sag that offset that Betaflight has that emu flight doesn't have. So I don't know. I guess maybe I may try something like Flight 1 or something. I don't know. It's just so hard to get their flight controllers and even ESCs. It's like they're always out of stock. And if I break something, I don't want to be waiting months after I get accustomed to it. So that's the reason why I don't like Fly Kiss or Fly Flight 1. So I don't know. Maybe you guys have some suggestions out there for me. Wasn't really totally happy with this session, but it is what it is. Some days are like that. Some days you're just not dialed in and gotta just deal with it. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Stay original.